Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Game again. Bringing another Lost Sword content. I hope you're enjoying the content. Please do comment down below what do you think I can share to you guys, especially if you're new, so that I can help you with what you need to have progressing in this game. Okay, so again, I have videos in the past that still are doable or you can still get as a tip moving forward in Lost Sword. Okay, but again, if you want specific one, just comment down below. Hopefully I can help you if I'm not busy. Okay, please do consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. That would really help with the algorithm, especially in this small channel. Hopefully we can reach that 5,000 goal. So I'm just gonna be here telling you guys currently what are the events ongoing. So if you want to see the events ongoing, this is gonna be what's happening. Okay, so there were quite a few events happening previously. Okay, and then it has ended already. This one has ended already. Sengon Kagura Guess the Character Line event. But currently, we still have a lot. Okay, the Lost Sword Complete Conquest Guide event. So this event, feel free to share your own tips and strategies to gain from playing Lost Sword. Okay, so swordbringers who leave great guides that can help other swordbringers on other adventures will also receive a small reward prepared by us. Okay, so event period until March 22. During the event, share your guides or tips, content strategies in the thread in this event post. You must include both your UID and in-game nickname for your participation to be valid in the random draw. A random draw will be held, so event rewards random draw 10 winners, 2,000. Okay, so you might be able to get that. Okay? So next, how I wish like they could give us like rewards for everybody, not just a random draw. Okay, like usually they're giving us like pools, random pools for everybody who participated. Anyways, next, like Lost Sword Pickup Challenge event. So until March 18. So how to participate during the event? Share a screenshot of your summon result character collection showing a pickup character Hikage, Anessa, or Isabel. So and then you must include your UID. And then if more 100 players participate in the Reddit Discord, Swordbringers will get, again, all Swordbringers will get an uncommon character summon pool, which is good. This keeps the player base engaged. And then event rewards, there will be 10 winners to get 2,000 diamond. Okay? Next, there's also a spring surprise login event. So it has started already to celebrate the warm spring season until March 13. I think it's ending already. If you were still ongoingly logging in, you get this Galaxy Essence. Okay? Also, share your anticipation of Yumi. Yumi is almost coming in within our grasp. Again, until March 19 before maintenance, feel free to share your aspects of Yumi. And then if you're like there's also a developer's note. I'll be talking about that on a separate video. So you participate on this. So 100 participants. Oh my god, this is very important, guys. So during the event period, aspects of Luweria you are most looking forward to the thread event post. More than 100 players participate. I'll participate with this because I need to get this stone piece and I need this one for training. So that's technically your Yumi event. So people are going in YOLO style here, 44 message. You need to like go in and then help the cause. Okay, so I'll be joining that. So those are the current events that we're having right now in Lost Sword. So if there would be some coupon codes, I'll be sharing it to you guys if I have it. Okay, so hopefully you're enjoying the content. I hope you're enjoying the collaboration as well. I'll give my thoughts on Hikage. If I pulled in quite a lot, I'll share my opinions. Okay, so again, if you're enjoying the content, please do consider subscribing, like, subscribe, and comment as well. This is again 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.